Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade barbecue sauce easily. First, let's gather our basic ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 cups of ketchup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Also, have on hand 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Make sure you have a medium saucepan and a whisk ready to go. This simple approach ensures a fantastic sauce every time. Now let's get everything into the saucepan. Pour in your ketchup, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, and Worcestershire sauce. Then add the garlic powder and onion powder. Give it a good whisk until all the ingredients are completely combined and smooth. Once mixed, place the saucepan over medium-low heat. We want to bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully for about 15 minutes. This is where you can truly make the sauce your own. Taste your simmering barbecue sauce and decide if you'd like it sweeter. You can add another tablespoon or 2 of brown sugar or even a drizzle of honey. For a little heat, stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you prefer a smoky depth, try adding 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Feel free to experiment with other spices you love. Once your barbecue sauce has simmered to your desired thickness and flavor, remove it from the heat. Let it cool down completely to room temperature. This is important before you transfer it into an airtight jar or container. Your delicious homemade sauce will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It's perfect for slathering on ribs, chicken, or as a tasty dip for your favorite snacks. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.